Let's tour our room at Secrets Akumal. Welcome back to A Couple Travelers. Andy and Jenna here, doing something new for us.
Very different.
We are at Secrets, our first Secrets resort. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know we have a lot of sandals content up for you guys, but we wanted to branch out and start experiencing some Secrets resorts as well.
So today we're gonna walk you through our room here at Secrets Akumal. It is the Junior Suite King Tropical View room. We're also gonna show you the Junior Suite King Partial Ocean View room, parts of it, because really the rooms are identical and the only thing that changes is the view.
Yeah.
So we'll be able to show you both, but we're gonna walk you fully through our room and show you actually how great this room in particular is. And this is the quote unquote worst room, aka the cheapest room in the resort, and we were still thoroughly impressed by it. So let's go take a look. So we are in building 8, which is actually right next to the lobby. We're on the second floor, room 8206. So I will say this is day 3 for us. We did arrive at the resort kind of late because we had a 3-hour plane delay. So by the time we got here, like the sun was setting and everyone was hungry. We're traveling with a group of 6.
The room is already lived in a little bit.
Yes, so you'll see some mess right now, but we did get some shots when the room was clean. So here's the door we just came in, and the first thing you're gonna see here are the controls. These are for the lights of the room, and then this here is the do not disturb button. So nobody will come in if this light is on, but if you want your room made up when you leave for the day, you need to make sure that this light is off, otherwise housekeeping will not come into your room. Right next to that, you have the closet. Now you're gonna have extra pillows and blankets up top. You have a safe, and the very interesting thing about Secrets that we've really liked is they have this special door, which is how you will receive room service. You know, if you want to schedule your breakfast at a certain time the day before, you could wake up and come to your box and everything will already be there inside. So it's really unique. You don't have to have somebody come into your room. They just put everything there on a tray. You pull it out, and when you're done, you put the tray back and you go into the app and say that somebody can come and pick up the tray. So it's a really cool concept here. It's called the Secrets box. So you just need to make sure not to put personal belongings in here because somebody accesses it from the hallway. Then the rest of your closet is pretty typical. We had robes and slippers in here. We had a luggage rack, and they have a bag for laundry, but there's hangers here for all of your belongings and a pretty decent size. Now we're going to go toward the right of the door when we first come in before we head into the main part of the room to show the bathroom. So you have his and hers sinks, which is very nice. You have plenty of storage underneath the sink and on the sides. And the room comes with a hair dryer. There's actually a steamer. It's a Conair hair dryer. It works pretty well.
And a Conair steamer as well.
And a Conair steamer. This is actually the same steamer that we have at home, and we like it. It's very easy to use. I did not see an iron in the room, so if you prefer an iron, I don't know if you could ask for one, but it looks like they provide a steamer. They have the extra towels down below. And then for amenities, they had a sewing kit, a vanity kit, a shower cap, and a shoe mitt, and body lotion. And this is, as we said, it's just the basic room. There are 2 levels of rooms at Secrets, just the regular suites and then preferred club. With the preferred club room, you'd get a little bit more amenities in your bathroom, but this is what is just with the basic rooms.
And a little note on the sinks, our room attendant showed us this, but if you need to open and close the drain, you just click it.
There is also a makeup mirror that has a light, which was great. I've used that several times. That one's magnifying, the regular mirror, which is good. And the room does have US plugs. So we have some plugs on either side for you to use hair products and whatever you need in the bathroom.
So usually in North America and resorts, you don't need to bring any sort of converters.
To the left of the sink area, we have the shower. Now there are 2 different things in here. There's the rainfall shower And then there's a handheld wand as well. The shower is very big and it has a bench, which is really good. People don't always know what this is, but this is a clothesline so you could dry some clothes. And the shower does come with bar soap, shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel.
And you have two sets of controls, one for the rainfall and one for the shower wand.
To the left of the shower, you have the toilet area. We just turned the light on, so if you can hear the fan, they're synced. But in here you just have a toilet, a trash can, toilet paper, and a phone.
Yeah.
If you need to make any important phone call, call for help that you're out of toilet paper.
You never know. And just like Secret's attention to detail, they put a sticker with their logo on the toilet paper when they fold it for you. Just nice luxury little touch there.
Then moving further left, you have a giant mirror. This is the...
Hello.
Hello guys. This is the full-length mirror for you to check your outfit before you leave the room. It's very pretty and I love the bench in here.
Excuse our bare feet, we were in the pool today.
And then a jacuzzi tub.
Yes.
Does have jets. Our concierge let us know that in addition to our daily housekeeping service and our daily turn down service, which is great to know that all of the rooms get nightly turn down service, you can have your attendant actually draw you a bubble bath as part of your nightly turn down service. So you do have to request it. It's not going to be done automatically, but you could say, tonight when you do turn down service, please draw us a bubble bath, and they would have that all set up. And when we first came and they were giving us a tour of the room, they showed us how to do it ourselves if we want to draw our own bath. There's different levers to start the jets, one to control how strong the jets are, and they let us know where we would need to fill the tub to for the jets to be able to work properly. So great thing that's in every room. Okay, so we're back where we started, where the door's behind us and the closet is behind us. And then this is a very good sized room.
Yeah.
So first thing you're gonna see on the right next to the tub and the curtain, is we have the thermostat, so you can control that. When the balcony door is unlocked, the AC will turn off. So make sure when you're not in the balcony that you actually lock the door so that your air conditioning can work. So that is something to definitely pay attention to.
Look at the mood lighting.
I love this, especially when all the lights are off at night and you just have these on. It creates a really fun pattern.
Yeah, it's super on theme. Like, in
yeah.
case you don't know, Secrets Akumal is in Mexico.
Yes, Riviera Maya.
Yes, so this is very Mexican culture inspired.
On either side of the bed, you have some light switches, US plugs, a phone, a notepad and pen, the TV guide, and the remote. We were very impressed with how many channels we were able to access on this trip. Usually you have like a couple of channels maybe, but there's a ton here. And the first few channels are kind of resort specific to get more information on the spa, excursions, dining experiences, just a channel. Channel 8 is just about Secrets Akumal in general. So great to learn a little bit more about the resort while you're here. And look at what housekeeping did today. I left my wires were everywhere and they rolled it up all nice.
Attention to detail.
Then we have the king size bed, which is very comfortable. And I think one of the best things is that on the resort app, you can actually go in and view the pillow menu, which was something I stumbled upon the other day. Amber, who we are traveling with, actually, we were by the pool, she went in, she ordered a pillow, and by the time she got back to her room, the pillow was already there waiting for her. So very good service here, and if you don't like the pillows that are provided on the bed, you can find something if you need something more firm, more support, etc. They had, I think it was like 8 or 9 different types of pillows, which was really impressive. I also love how colorful the room is. You'll see lots of pinks and oranges throughout, and both sides have reading lights as well if somebody is sitting in bed and reading. There is also a bench at the foot of the bed, which is great. We just had to, it's been a kind of our catch-all space, so we just cleared it off for the sake of filming this video, but very happy with the bed. So right across from the bed, we have kind of the entertainment and beverage station, big TV. Then all the way to the left, we'll start, there's a coffee machine, and they also provide bottled water for the coffee machine because obviously we're in Mexico. You want to make sure that you're using the bottled water. They give you espresso cups, different coffees, different sugar packets. Very nice touch. And then leftover chocolates from our turn down service last night.
Also in the turn down service last night, our housekeeper took a bottle of water and a cup and placed it on either side of the bed. So that was a nice little...
Yeah, with that, they laid out slippers by our bed. They asked if we wanted our robes brought out. They asked if we needed ice. It was a very detailed, you know, they turned down the bed. Very, very detailed service that they did, which was lovely. Then you have your ice bucket, you have some snacks here, and then you have 6 drawers directly below. We do have stuff in all of the drawers, but I did want to point out that they have this awesome Secrets logo lining in it, which I thought was a fun touch. Over from the drawers, we have our mini fridge. Everything in here is completely complimentary, and since we are, you know, not preferred club, what you're gonna find in here is water, sodas, we have some beer, and some orange juice. So, and you can tell your concierge if you want a different selection. So today I went, we were at the concierge and I knew my dad wanted ginger ale. So they asked if there was anything that they could take out of their fridge to make room for ginger ale, and they don't really drink much Coke and Fanta, which I can see in the back. So they took that out and they sent ginger ale up to my parents' room. And every single building here has its very own concierge on the first level. They're there from 9 to 5. And you also can WhatsApp with them. So download the WhatsApp before you arrive. And I've been texting with mine. They helped us book sea turtles for tomorrow when it wasn't available on the app. It's a great way to communicate. You can go see them and sit with them as well. They're there to help you with whatever you need.
Then to the right of the mini fridge, you have a shoe storage space. Apologies for a little bit of a mess.
What we're using as shoe to storage
Correct,
space.
yeah. Then you have your workstation, desk area with a really nice mirror to make sure you look good for your night out at the resort.
And the thing to note over here is that every room has a tablet, and you can click on any of the different tabs to see. You can order room service. I don't believe we mentioned earlier when we were showing the box, room service is 24/7 for all rooms, which is wonderful. With other resorts we've been to, room service is only included in some of the upper level rooms. So to know that everybody has it and it's 24/7 is a really awesome perk. So this has been very helpful. You also have another phone over here as well. And this morning we wanted our roommate up a little bit earlier in the day, so I called housekeeping and they sent somebody right away. So they're very good here about if you have requests, it gets taken care of
very quickly. And then this is the part of the room that has a couple USB plugs as well. So a couple here in the docking station for the tablet, and then another 2 right behind it in the wall there.
I loved this little touch about the room. Everybody got their own little turtle because the word Akumal actually means place of turtles. You can swim with the turtles here at the resort. There's a reef very close nearby, so they're kind of known for their turtles. So this was waiting for everybody in their room, which was such a nice perk. Now opposite the desk, you have a couch with more colorful pillows, which I just love, and you have a nice ottoman as well. So this room has lots of spaces to relax and hang out. Definitely does not feel crowded in this room whatsoever. So now we're gonna go out and show you the balcony, which is gonna feature a couch with more pillows on one side, and on the other side you have a table and 2 chairs. And we'll show you the tropical garden view. Right after that, we're gonna put in the footage from the Junior Suite King partial ocean view room. So you'll be able to see the difference of the views. Both are in building 8. We are on the 2nd floor. The partial ocean view rooms are up on the 4th floor. So you'll be able to see the difference. The rooms pretty much look identical. The only real difference is the view.
So those were 2 rooms here at Secrets Akumal. We've only been at the resort for 2 days, but we love it so far. It's really making an impression on us.
And if you want to come to Secrets Akumal or any of the other Secrets resorts, I did want to mention that I am a travel agent and I can help you out with that. I'll put my email address in the video description below, but I can help answer some questions, get you a no obligation quote, and get you on your way to literal paradise.
But that is everything we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media at A Couple Travelers.
And until next time, keep traveling.